So ballot boxes are sealed and voting booths have been shut at 5 p.m. in Punjab and Goa today, and now we're getting the first number till 4 p.m. There's been 66% voter turnout in Punjab. Punjab recording a turnout which went up towards the latter half of the day. Earlier in the morning, slow pickup there in Punjab, but for now, till 4 p.m., it's been 66%. Interestingly, it's better than 2009 performance of Punjab, where only 58% of voter turnout was seen. But at the same time, this voter turnout is quite dismal compared to 2012, where 77% of voter turnout was seen. 2007 is when 75% of voter turnout was seen in the state. But this is only till 4 p.m. We could look at some last-minute changes there. My colleague Supriya joining us from Patiala. Supriya, it's an interesting contest in Patiala. Captain Amrinder Singh, and also you have Joginder Jaswant Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party there in the Malwa region, which constitute of the biggest pie of the Punjab Assembly polls. 66% voter turnout till 4 p.m. Are we looking at the number going up toward the last half hour till 5 p.m.? Did you witness voters rushing in towards the end of the day?
Well, certainly, yes. The reports which are coming in from the interiors of Punjab and certain other areas in Malwa as well as Doaba is this, that the voters are still there. There are serpentine queues outside the polling stations, and somewhere the deadline has been extended by the Election Commission that till the time the voters are there, till the time the voters are inside the polling station, the voting will continue there. However, where we are in Patiala city, where Captain Amrinder Singh, General J.S. Singh as well as Dharamveer Gandhi had casted their vote, the doors have been sealed. You can see, look behind me at the moment, that the door has been sealed and nobody is allowed to enter the polling station. Well, as far as the polling in Malwa region is concerned, it is the utmost important region as far as the Punjab elections are concerned. 117 seats in this very region and 69 alone comes from Malwa. So the entire campaign of Aam Aadmi Party concentrated mainly in Malwa, and it is the Battle of Malwa which we have seen in last 10 days, which took to a next level, was taken up to a next level when Aam Aadmi Party as well as Congress and Akali Dal concentrated their entire energy on this very area. Last 48 hours we saw the Deras also coming out and announcing their support to a particular party. But as far as Malwa is concerned, it is the one that holds the key as to who is going to form the government in March 11th, when the poll results will be out.
Absolutely. 32% of Dalit voters also in Malwa, and the Aam Aadmi Party trying to make inroads in this region as well. In Doaba and Manja, though, Aam Aadmi Party not being able to withhold so much of foothold as they've been able to do in Malwa. Let me go across to Ashutosh, who's joining us from Ludhiana. Supriya, stay with us. Ashutosh, what was the voter turnout seen in Ludhiana as well? There were reports also of skirmishes of various political workers that came in from the area.
Well, Davina, the voters' turnout till 4 o'clock was apparently very poor in compared to the voting percentage. If you see in 2012, which was last till 77%. But as far as this Ludhiana region is concerned, Ludhiana East constituency, I went through several polling booths. So the percentage is crossing 85 plus. So overall, altogether, there are several places, several polling booths where voters are still there and they are allowed to cast their vote. The number of voters who reached inside the polling booth premises till 5 o'clock, they will be allowed to cast their vote. So it may reach at amount 70 or 72%. But certainly the bigger question is that is it going to cross the magic figure which was the during 2012 polling, which was 77%. So that is the bigger question, whether Punjab is going to break the earlier record. As far as the region is concerned, I traveled through Doaba region, which is Jalandhar to this Ludhiana. This stretch is now is under Malwa region. So apparently, as Supriya rightly pointed out, this is a very crucial stretch for not only Congress party but for the new entity Aam Aadmi Party. Devina?
Absolutely, Ashutosh. Talking more about that, but I want to go to Lambi, which is the political epicenter of Punjab Assembly polls. Kamaljeet has been tracking the details from there. Kamaljeet, also allegations coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party of an alleged match fixing between Captain Amrinder Singh, who is also fighting elections from there. You have Prakash Singh Badal, the veteran from also Lambi, who's fighting there, and you have Jarnail Singh from the Aam Aadmi Party, who's been fronting the campaign for his outfit. How was voting seen in Lambi, and also how crucial is this seat going to be, because both Captain Amrinder Singh and Prakash Singh Badal are on the fag end of their political career. So for them, it is a fight to the literal finish political line, as we say.
Absolutely, Devina. It's been extremely exciting to watch these polls really go by. The fact remains that these are most exciting and most fierce elections that we've seen in Lambi. The Chief Minister candidate is against the Chief Minister, the current Chief Minister, Prakash Singh Badal. And taking on both of them is the Aam Aadmi Party's Jarnail Singh. Now, if we actually go by the weather prediction, it's been very windy and very cloudy. So we'll say within the Badal and the Lambi village itself, Badal to chai rahe. This is the same true story in Jalalabad. It's been an extremely cold day. But we did see a steady stream of voters really coming out. It's been 70% more. As a matter of fact, we've seen 66% polling in the entire state of Punjab. But Lambi, it's been much more. There's been a fierce contest between all the three candidates. Okay. Now, remember, the part about match fixing is an allegation that the Aam Aadmi has been trying to put against the Congress party, saying there is a tacit understanding between the Shrimani Akali Dal BJP combined along with the Congress party. They don't really frame charges against each other. They don't really go against each other. Something the Aam Aadmi Party will really benefit in terms of making statement about it. But remember, the curtains have actually fallen. The entire votes have now been sealed in the ballot box. It's only on March 11th we'll really know which way Punjab has gone and who will be the ultimate
how's the triangular fight been? How's the triangular fight been? Because for the first time, Punjab voters had the other option. It was not Congress, it was not BJP, it was an Aam Aadmi Party. And let's take a listen in first. Kamalji, you've been able to speak to Prakash Singh Badal. Let's take a listen in to what he said while he was casting his vote.
You've been challenged at the home turf. How confident are you?
My turf is whole other Punjab, not only this area.
Sir, also, you for the first time are being challenged by Captain Amrinder Singh here, also by the Aam Aadmi Party.
No, you don't remember. I am fighting for against his challenge many times. Last time in Parliament also he challenged me that if you can, I'm putting my son as candidate in Parliament. If you want, don't put any other candidate but me, from your family. We put her Simrat Kaur, and she won by 1,50,000. And from this constituency, he lost by 40,000.
All right, let's also now cut across to this exclusive conversation that India Today's Ashok Singhal had with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Mind you, Navjot Singh Sidhu has courted controversy this time because he has ruffled Election Commission's poll code of conduct where he took his car till the polling booth, which is not allowed by any candidate. Take a listen.
इस बार का किस मायने में अलग है पिछले चुनाव से?
इस बार का चुनाव इस तरह से अलग है कि पिछले चुनाव शायद एंटी इनकम्बेंसी के हो सकते हैं या किसी और चीज के हो सकते हैं। ये चुनाव नफरत का है। जो मौजूदा सरकार है, लोग कहते हैं जी थोड़ी एंटी इनकम्बेंसी, मैं कहता हूँ मौजूदा सरकार के खिलाफ नफरत है। इन्होंने दबा के लूटा है और डट के कूटा है। लोकतंत्र अहंकार नहीं सहता। आज बदलाव है, सैलाब है, इनकलाब है, एक नए सूर्य का उदय है। सोनिया जी को, राहुल भाई को, प्रियंका जी को हमारी तरफ से पंजाब में सृजन उमंग तरंग का एक नया तोहफा जाएगा। जब कोई बैट्समैन आखिरी बार अलविदा करता है और वो बहुत बड़े दिग्गज है तो उसे सलाम करना पड़ता है, उसे प्यार देना पड़ता है और वो प्यार उन्हें मिलेगा, उमड़ उमड़ के मिलेगा।
So Navjot Singh Sidhu confident of a win, but it's been the fight between him and Captain Amrinder Singh that's also been reported. Navjot Singh Sidhu making entry into the Congress quite late in the campaign, and then became the noise around that whether Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh are seeing eye to eye. Captain Amrinder Singh being the chief ministerial candidate of the party as called on by Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi quite late again during Punjab polls campaigning. Take a listen to what he had to say.
What I've heard from Lambi, it's very good. Till at midday, we were going well ahead. There are 73 villages in Lambi, and we seem to be leading in most of them, or all of them, from what my team tells me. Patiala, I'm going to go around now and see, but the reports from town are very good. As far as Punjab is concerned, both in Malwa, Doaba and Majha, Congress is leading. So we are going to hopefully form a government.
What about Aam Aadmi?
The captain who is standing between the Aam Aadmi Party making a foray into Punjab enough to challenge the Shiromani Akali Dal and the BJP might. We also spoke to Amrinder Singh's wife, daughter, and they're known as the royal family of Patiala, identified by masses with that mass connect that seems to be lacking at the moment with the Aam Aadmi Party campaign. Take a look.
Joined by Jainder Kaur and Sarinder Kaur. You're also going to cast your vote? My voting ID hasn't been made yet. Okay. And that's my son Nirvan. Okay, that's Nirvan Singh, the son of Jainder Kaur. You're also going to cast your vote, sir?
No, I'm going to accompany them. So,
how do you see the entire thing, the way...
Punjab is going to vote, so we're looking forward to it.
I've seen that the young royal members of the royal family have been, in a way, campaigning. Do you think the campaign went well? The campaign went well? So we can see the three generations of the royal family of Patiala, Maharani Praneet Kaur, daughter Jainder Kaur and granddaughter Sarinder. Sarinder is the daughter of... Ma'am, you have campaigned a lot in Patiala. Now what are the initial reports that you're getting? Or in a way, what do you think that Patiala is going to vote for?
I think we are getting a very good report wherever I go in Patiala. We are going to win with a thumping majority.
So from the royal family of Punjab to the first political family of Punjab, where we also caught up with Harsimrat Kaur. Now she's lashed out to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, accusing him of shaking hands with Babbar Khalsa movement.
जैसे कि राजनीति केजरीवाल साहब ने पिछले कुछ दिनों में दिखाई है कि उन आतंकवादी लोगों के साथ हाथ मिला के पंजाब की अमन शांति को भंग करने के लिए आज 30 साल बाद पंजाब में बम ब्लास्ट हो रहे हैं। आज इनके मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट लोगों को लड़ने के लिए भड़का रहे हैं। केजरीवाल साहब खुद बब्बर खालसा के साथ जाके ब्रेकफास्ट और डिनर खा रहे हैं। तो ये सीधा संकेत है कि अब आईएसआई ने केजरीवाल को स्पॉन्सर कर लिया है और ऐसे बाहर के लोगों को पंजाब के लोग निकाल के अपने घर वापस।
Let's go across to Ashutosh from Ludhiana, who's with us now. Ashutosh, that's a serious charge coming from Harsimrat Kaur, and interestingly, you had Arvind Kejriwal tweeting on the other side about Election Commission, asking that why is it that the poll timing in Punjab is only 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. while in Goa it is 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that means it's going to be an intense fight, because even as the ballot boxes are sealed, the final winner will be declared on March 11th, but it's been a fight of tooth and nail for Aam Aadmi Party. And with this comment, it seems they've been able to at least rattle the bigger players in the fray.
Well, indeed, Devina, in the usual tradition, political fight in Punjab used to be between Congress Party and the BJP Akali Dal alliance. Having a new party, a new entity, Aam Aadmi Party, in the political fray of Punjab certainly has rattled both the established leadership. As far as this verbal fight is concerned, it was perhaps very interesting to see that on the day of polling, when there are a number of voters gathering outside, in the throng outside, in a huge number to cast their vote to decide their mandate, other side there was a verbal attack against each other by the political party. We saw how Arvind Kejriwal attacking Election Commission, that questioning the transparency and the manner. There are several reports that EVM machines were not functioning, and the kind of reluctance being shown by the Election Commission. Arvind Kejriwal attacking, asking several questions from the Election Commission. Other side, we also heard Praneet Kaur attacking Aam Aadmi Party, and then Harsimrat Badal questioning Arvind Kejriwal, escalating a serious attack against Arvind Kejriwal that he is now hand in glove with the ISI, with the terrorists. So certainly this was very interesting to see that on the polling day, the political leaders escalating verbal attack against each other.
Absolutely, Ashutosh, stay with us. So, Supriya, as we've been tracking Punjab's Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal also in the hometown Lambi, where he's spending more time with his family as well. We've also seen that this has been a reluctant campaign by Sukhbir Singh Badal, because he said, I'm confident of winning. I do not need to campaign so much. Unlike his father, Prakash Singh Badal, who was forced to come to the ground and campaign, given the bitter fight of Aam Aadmi Party and given the challenge thrown by Captain Amrinder Singh.
Well, Devina, what has happened this time is really interesting, and we haven't seen this in any of the last elections. That this time, all the main leaders were forced to move out of their bastion, and then again they were forced to stay within the corridor. So initially, when the poll dates were announced, we saw the campaigners, whether it was Prakash Singh Badal, whether it was Sukhbir Singh Badal, or even it was Captain Amrinder Singh, they went all out to campaign, and then later on, when the momentum of Aam Aadmi Party picked up, they were forced to stay back in their own constituency. As far as Captain Amrinder Singh is concerned, the entire royal family was on street.
Yes, and we just heard it from the royal family of Patiala as well. We did hear the comments of royal family of Patiala as well. I want to play out that reaction of Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal when he spoke to India today. Coming back to all of you in a bit.
We are from Punjab. We live in Punjab. We live in the villages. We know the pulse of the people. We know what they need. That is why people have voted us for us twice, and now they're voting for us thrice.
Let's talk about this hobby of yours. These are miniature horses, as they look like. Tell us about them.
These are miniature horses, fallible horses, miniatures. This is the maximum height they are. They are the smallest horses in the world. And then you see Marwadi horses, pure Marwadi, one of the best horses in the country, pure breed Marwadi horses. So this is my hobby.
But when did you develop this hobby? What do you really do in your free time?
I just spend time with them.
You can't obviously sit on these horses.
No, you can't. But you can spend time with them, and they're lovely creatures. The affection they give, you feel happy.